got going over here? There he is. Okay. Go turn that gain up. Oh, excuse me. Okay. So, oh wait, no. I want to put in. Change monitor. I'm gonna do this. Duplicate. This is gonna come underneath. Called display. Text in here. Let's say. What did I do? What is this? I try to do a Control Z, Control V. Can I actually interact with this? I cannot. Okay. But at least I can click through. That's fun. Okay, so it's in here. Button, text block. Okay, so this to be below that. Alright. Okay. So I think it's the last thing I want to put in. I was basically ready to, record this and throw in the portfolio, but I do want this to work. Fingers crossed there's notes for this and it's very easy. Pray for me. Okay. So you unclicked and you unclicked. Display target. Okay. Let's see. Set game user settings. Ooh, what do we got here? Okay, so let's see. Get overall. Okay, so that is coming in under the settings option. So if I just do this, scroll to settings, we can take a look at our options. Uh-oh, we're just seeing lots of gets. Just... Full screen mode now. Dang it. Okay, we gotta look stuff up. So we're trying to look for how to change the target Output display. Oh, of course. Here's the source code if anyone comes across this. Gaming viewport init monitor number. Is there a viewport options? Yes. Dang it. Platform specific Windows. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Move this corresponding. No, I'm not gonna be able to rip that out. I'm gonna hear who this guy is. I just want to use blueprints, please. Don't talk to me like that. Dang, that's lame. Unreal, change default monitor in No, damn it. It's just a question. It's part of it. Ah, man. Hmm. Used in a widget blueprint. Alright, maybe this is way too advanced. Damn it. Why is that so complicated? It's like, yeah, enumerate what we find in the system and just freaking pop it over, man. Come on. Come on, man. Shit. Alright, we're gonna give up on that. Admit defeat and just go home. Okay. Wah, wah. So we're just gonna hide it for now. And shit. Let's see. I want to say since that. Dang it. Since I didn't really use that, then I might be able to use my previous build. I'm having some issues where I'm setting lights to be on and off, but when I start up the editor, they're never at the values that I set them at. Like this one I'm always trying to turn off. Just be off. Okay, it says BPC light, that's probably why. I think these ones are giving me trouble. Oops. Doodaloo. Bam. Gone through a couple iterations of testing Blueprint, so I think this is just like something residual. Sure, we can put it over there, why not? I feel like it's very close. I would like this to turn on. This, we can delete, it's not really in the way. I mean, the player's not going to see it. Alright, let me start over there. This guy we actually we want him off. This one is the one we want on. Okay, I have that one on, and nothing else should be on. Okay. Now when I play, get this. So quit, options, start. Come down to options. We can click on the screen and we can even scroll now. I don't even have to select that, I can just use my mouse. Fuck, that's not supposed to be there. Dang. Alright, I might just have to delete that. And vsync, I'll update that to be capital. That's just reading the value of a boolean right now, which is why it's lowercase. And I can return to menu. And then I have some spooky ghost effects on these chairs. They'll just go basically between like about 10 seconds and a minute. They'll do some little spooky ghost slide, but it's all random. Yeah, there it is. So every time you load the game, that'll be on like a new timer. Yeah. Okay, so I think that should solve my issue. I mean, whatever, right? I'll just leave that. It's gonna be off. I guess that's off, okay. Hopefully this all is fine. Save. Okay, so this is, remember this? Just this light's on. I'm gonna close this. And now, when I open it, there's a good chance it's not gonna work. It's gonna load with some random other lights. Crazy. I mean, okay, it's just a different level, that's fine. It worked. Yes. There's something jacked up about the other lights I was using. And we're totally okay with that. We can change it later. Okay, so with this then, I think I can finally be confident that Everything is going to work as needed. Yeah, check this out. This is kind of cool. So if I like drop this down and hit apply, you can like just see the changes immediately. Like that. Boom. Like, oh, that's kind of like noisy above that. Let's jump those settings up. Looking better. Let me come back here and say, alright, ready to start that game. Doodle-doo-doo. Running around. You can turn on a flashlight. And we realize there's no gameplay here. Nothing to do. So we pause that game. And we quit. Got him. Okay. So that's good. I think we can show that. Alright, you know what? Just for presentation purposes, this is bugging me. I'm using a gold material on these, but I reduced the resolution because all the components that I was using them for are pretty small. So in the rest of my UDIM, they're for sort of the walls and the floors, and those are in like a 3-meter grid or a 3-meter space for the 0 to 1 UV area. So I was like, all right, I'll make that like a 1-meter space for the gold because everything's gonna be small. And then I think I overdid it with dropping down the resolution to compensate for that. Now everything looks kind of chunky. So let's show how we fix that. Oh man. So I use Quixel Mixer for these materials. And it always makes me sign in. It's killing me. Right though. Ugh. I gotta go to my email and verify my schmee. Shmeemanoo. Shmeemanoo. Apologies. Okay. I hit remember device and everything, and it just won't do it. Okay, for this I am going to have to close the project. My project in this program is very heavy, so I don't want other things open at the same time. Boom. Oh, so heavy. Oh yeah, here we go. It's loading. Yeah, so we're just going to try to export this. I think... I should have checked in Unreal. There's a good chance that I might have been halving the resolution there too. Halving. But regardless, I can probably bring up the export resolution here by like 2. A factor of 2, perhaps 4. Perhaps 4. Yeah, that's a weird response. It like is very, like the grid is very noticeable, or like some sort of grid is very noticeable there. I wonder if it might just be incredibly large pixels. Who knows? Oh, I should have looked at it in the roughness value, or the roughness like G buffer. Okay. Okay. Oh no, it's gonna display everything because I had to show everything to export it all recently. I don't need to do this. Yeesh. I don't usually click into it like that or super early, so hopefully it doesn't crash it. Also, never try to run this program while I'm streaming. So fun. It does usually take days like this to load, because these are all like 4K materials. Yeah. Shite. Oh yeah, I wonder even the stream is... No, that's okay. How's everybody doing, huh? Well, let me take a moment to chat. What's going on with everybody's lives? This is gonna take a minute. Dang. I wonder. Let's close these. Give us some RAM. Ooh. Yeah. Hey, that's the ticket. That's the ticket. Come on. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Yeah. Yeah. Show us what you're made of. Ooh, let's take a look at our...